In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring life to your old black and white photos by colorizing them with Canva. Whether you have treasured family portraits or historical images that you want to enhance, this technique will give them a modern touch. Let's dive into this simple yet transformative process. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Canva project. If you haven't signed up for Canva yet, I highly recommend it, as it's a versatile and user-friendly design platform that can be incredibly useful for a variety of projects. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the project you want to work on or create a new one if necessary. It's important to ensure you're on a page where you can edit and experiment freely within the Canva environment. Once you're set up in your Canva project, look towards the sidebar. Here you'll find the Apps option. Clicking on Apps will open a whole new world of tools and integrations that Canva offers. What we're interested in today is the Colorize app. Simply use the search bar to type in Colorize, and it should appear in the drop-down suggestions. This tool uses advanced algorithms to interpret the gray tones in your picture and apply colors, truly revolutionizing how your image looks. Now it's time to upload your Grayscale photo. Make sure you've selected a photo that means something to you or fits the project you have in mind. When you upload your image, the Colorize app will start working its magic. The processing may take a little time, depending on the complexity and resolution of your picture, so you might want to grab a cup of coffee or just sit back and relax for a moment. The app intelligently applies colors to your photo, providing a realistic and pleasing result. After the processing is complete, you'll see your once grayscale photo now adorned with colors. Take a moment to admire the transformation. It's quite remarkable how color can breathe new life into an image, offering it a fresh perspective and allowing you to see details you might not have noticed before. Feel free to make any adjustments or tweaks using Canva's editing tools to ensure the image meets your vision. And there you have it. You've successfully colorized a grayscale photo using Canva. This process not only enhances your images, but also provides a creative way to revisit old memories. Whether for personal enjoyment or a professional project, this technique is both fun and useful. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy using this new skill to bring color to your memories.